Good morning, students. Good morning, students. We are here and going to read about coding and decoding. Coding and decoding. This is a chapter considering the reasoning part, which is highly useful topic in case of any government examination. And this part reasoning helps to score you a better marks in very less time. So coding and decoding is one of the topic of the reasoning. For the coding and decoding, first we start uh, from knowing that the position of the letters. Okay, so we know that in English alphabet there are almost 26 letters. Okay, let us write that: A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Okay. Let us not write in this manner, and I will tell you why. Okay, let us write in this manner. Uh, Let us write in this manner only, but A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay, I will tell you why I have written that in that fashion uh, in few moments. But let us give the numbering. Okay, A is considered at number one position, at the first position. B 2, C 3. The position as per the English alphabet: 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, this is 18, this is 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, and this is 26. Okay, as you all can see this on your screen, that A is positioned at number A is at the first position, B 2, C 3, D 4, E 5. Okay, so first of all, you should remember all this. Remember all this. Yes, and this is possible by practice. Okay. And what are the different ways to remember? Let us now talk about that. Okay. So you should remember what are the things that the digit comes at number 5 position, then letter comes at number 10 position, number 15, that this is all important. Okay, number 20, and this is number 25. Okay, if you will write in that fashion, it will come E5, J10, O15, T20, and Y25. So it will give you E G J O T Y, age of T, and the position are 5, 10, 15, 20, and 25. You should remember this. Okay, and if you can remember this, getting different positions are easier. One more thing to remember is position of M and N. M comes at 13. M comes at 13. Okay, and N is the mid. You can say 26 by 2. There are 26 letters, and 26 by 2. M comes at the 13. Okay, for finding any letter. Okay, for finding any letter, the position of any letter, you should be. Let us say if someone asks you the position of R. Okay, you should be knowing that the PQR. Okay, MNOOPQR. Okay, OPQR. Then it already comes at 18. 18. Okay, O comes at 15. OPQR. Okay, then if someone asks you the position of G. Okay, EFG. Come at EFG. Okay, if someone asks you the position of M. J JKLM. Then you should be knowing how fast you can know about this. Okay, there are many ways in which uh, you can remember this all. Okay, after remembering this, there is a another thing that you should be knowing, and uh, that is the opposite of this. Now you have known why I have written in this manner. Okay, this is a upside and this is a like that. Okay, opposite of A is Z. Okay, opposite of B is Y. Opposite of C is X. Opposite of D is W. Opposite of E is V. Opposite of F is U. Okay, so and see, this is the opposite of this, and you should be remembering opposite also. Okay, if you write the position of A, it is at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This comes at 26, this comes as 25, this comes as 24, this comes 23, 22, and 21. What is the most interesting fact about the opposite of any letter is the sum of this and this, the position of the first letter and the position of the opposite comes 27, and that is constant in every pair. Okay, that is constant in every pair. So what are the so in short, what we have to uh, first, what are the concept relating to coding and decoding? We need to remember the position of different letter, the position of different letter. Okay, this is all the position. See, this is all the position you are remembering. Okay, A 1, B 2, C 3, D 4. By practice, you will be remembering all this. Okay, then the this is important. E comes at 5, J comes at 10, O comes at 15. Okay, and T comes at 20, and Y comes at 25. In short, they are written at each dot T. Okay, the M comes at 13. That is also important. You should be remembering this. Okay, then again, the opposite of this, the opposite of A is Z, the opposite of B is Y, the opposite of C is X, the opposite of D is W, opposite of E is V, opposite of F is U, opposite of G is T, opposite of H is X, opposite of I is R, opposite of J is Q, opposite of K is P, opposite of L is O, opposite of M is N. Okay, and one more point that you should be remembering is the sum of positions of opposite is always 27. The sum of positions of opposite is always 27. Okay, okay, friend. Let us uh, let us stop here, and in the next chapter, in the next video, I will tell you how to remember the opposite. Okay, there are few tricks which you can apply to remember the opposite pairs. Thank you, friends.